Lesson 9.1, Problem Solving, Compare Fractions. Mary and Vincent climbed up a rock wall at the park. Mary climbed 3/4 of the way up the wall. Vincent climbed 3/8 of the way up the wall. Who climbed higher? So we're just looking at Mary and Vincent in order to compare less than, greater than, or equal to. I'm going to get rid of this side because I'm going to focus on the solving the problem. I gave this resource a lot during the Google form that I'm having you guys do independently. So please remember to look at it before giving your answer. So you're comparing 3/4 with 3/8. Okay, so if we look up here, we have 3/4 and 3/8, and 3/4 is greater, so we're going to put that symbol in. Another way of looking at it is if you think of it as like an alligator and it wants to eat the bigger fraction. The length of the 3/4 model is greater than the length of the 3/8 model. So Mary climbed higher on the rock wall. The camp leader is making waffles for breakfast. Tracy ate 3/6 of her waffles. Kim ate 5/6 of her waffles. Who ate more waffles? So again, I'm looking to see whether you can compare the two fractions. We'll learn about this more in another lesson, but when they have a common denominator or a common bottom number, then all you really have to do is figure out which of the two numerators is greater. In this case, 5 is greater than 3, so we'd have it like that. So who ate more? It would be Kim ate more. I'm going to have you do number 1, 3, 4, 7, and 8. However, they're going to be on a Google form, so they'll all be laid out with you, for you, as well as having 4 choices typically to choose from. So at the park, people can climb a rope ladder to its top. Rosa climbed 2/8 of the way up the ladder. Justin climbed 2/6 of the way up the ladder. Who climbed higher on the rope ladder? So I have you figuring out and comparing 2/8 and 2/6 with greater than, less than symbols, as well as filling in the blanks. So was it Rosa or Justin that climbed higher on the rope ladder? Number 3, Ted walked 2/3 mile to his soccer game. Then he walked 1/3 mile to his friend's house. Which distance is shorter? Again, I have it filled out the same. You fill in the blank in order to give greater than, less than, and then gives the two fractions as 2/3 or 1/3 is shorter. Number 4, Suri is frosting 8 cupcakes for a party. The table shows the fraction of cupcakes frosted with each frosting flavor. Which flavor did Suri use on the most cupcakes? So this one I have you fill in the blank and just give 3/8, 4/8, 1/8, and then saying Suri used the most, or which flavor, so was it vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry, did she use the most for the cupcakes? Number 7, Miss Gordon has many cookie recipes. One recipe uses 1/3 cup oatmeal and 1/2 cup flour. Will Miss Gordon use more oatmeal or more flour? So you're comparing 1/3 and 1/2 in order to tell you whether it's oatmeal or flour that she will use more. Number 8, Rick lives 4/6 mile from school. Noah lives 3/6 mile from school. Which of the following correctly compares the fractions? So again, this is an equal, less than, greater than, greater than.